Hello and welcome to Swim Sets by the Pool. This is the podcast where we give you free tips and free swim workouts that will help you swim better. My name is Nathan Cohen. I'm a professional triathlete. With me is Kyle Brill, who once beat Ryan Lochte in 100 back and swam Division I at UCSB, two-time Olympic trials athlete. Kyle, how does it feel, to beat just Olympians, Olympic champions,
You always sneak in some random fact. I no offense to Ryan Lochte, but this was a slightly off Ryan Lochte. He wasn't doing too hot this time of year. I think shout out to Ryan Lochte though. You're the goat. But yeah, he wasn't looking the best behind the block. So he went down that day, but only by like 100th of a second. It was a good moment for me.
Hey, it doesn't matter if you win by an inch or a mile. Winning's winning.
True enough. He probably didn't even know I was even in the race with him. But I've been putting it on my back ever since I did it. So.
Nice. That's awesome. Well, we've got an interesting set for you guys today. But before that, I've got a quick tip to start us off that will hopefully help you get some swim gains this year. And this is something that honestly is like revolutionary for me because I used to be that like David Goggins before I even knew who David Goggins was. Like, I was just like, I got to grind. I got to do these sets on my own. No one else knows I'm here in the rain. I got to make it as hard as possible. And I was just like, just like beating myself into the ground like a post, just hammering myself down every day. And now I train Monday through all my swims for the past few weeks and almost like for the whole past year have been with training partners. And I've been having the best swims of my career. It's easier mentally than it ever has been before. And it's just crazy because like you don't have to just be hard and like do things on your own. You can make it fun and you can swim with friends and you can swim with people who are just as good as you or a little bit better or whatever. And you can get way more out of yourself. So that's my quick tip is find a training partner. And just like if you don't know anyone, you're like, Nate, but I just go to the pool by myself. It's like I don't really know anyone. Just find someone, like watch them swim 100, be a little stocky, like watch them swim 100, be like, oh yeah, they swim just about as fast as me. And then like come up to them after, or like when you see them get out of the pool, like jump out of the pool mid set and be like, hey, like we're at the pool at the same time, we're the same speed, you want to swim together? And like most people will like give you a chance, so that's my tip.
Yeah, no, I love that, and I've always been an advocate for that. Like there is a reason that like you'll see a lot of times in other sports where you'll have people to kind of training mostly on their own in endurance sports, especially with like types of running and stuff. But
Hmm.
I think Michael Phelps was known for training on his own, and there was another guy named Michael Andrew, but both of them by the end of their careers certainly were training with groups, and you'll see them every single time endorse training with groups, and those were two extremely rare exceptions in the swim world. You'll see almost you see every single athlete now training in a group on a team. So it's literally just the best way to go from all angles too. Even if you have an iron mindset, you can just learn so much from having training partners. So I totally endorse that.
Yeah, so yeah, find a training partner, like put yourself out there. I know it's like it's hard to talk to people sometimes, but just like it'll be good for everyone. So that's my tip. And yeah, to start us off with this is a set I found on the side of the pool, and it looks like it's older than time. So if you're watching on YouTube, first of all, hit that subscribe button. But if you're watching on YouTube, this set, I don't even know what kind of, if this is even paper. It looks like it could be written on like cowhide or something. Like I don't even know. Like it's like it looks like it was a scroll that was found. I can't even read half of it. But we're bringing you all sorts of sets, you guys, and
This definitely came from a paper towel like dispenser in the locker room or
but it's
something.
brown. It's like I've never seen brown paper towels. It looks like that
From the
paper
Natural
towels.
History Museum.
Yeah, exactly. It's like, oh, the cavemans wrote this set or something. But Kyle's here. He's gonna decipher it for us. And
I don't know about that, man. I feel like I need to know another language on this. I don't even like the warm. I guess it says warm up at the start, so we'll start with that. But yeah,
yeah,
this thing is ancient. If anyone in the comments knows where this thing came from, like what country, what time period, we need to know.
yeah. Is this like a set from the 15th century? We gotta know.
Dude,
You
we
know?
might be in we might be before Christ at this point. We might be in
Yeah,
the negatives here.
yeah. So I don't know. We're gonna go through it, but I think the goal for today's episode is kind of have a little more fun with this set, and we'll kind of like turn it into a set that we think is like a set that will last the test of time. It's
It's
gonna
like
be
the
a
Bible of swim sets.
yeah, this is gonna be the Bible of swim sets. It's like this will be a swim set that people can look on to 200 years from now and they'll be like, yeah, Kyle and Nate, they made a good swim set on their podcast.
Yeah, it's gonna need to get retranslated. It's probably says like thou shall warm up with thou
Yeah.
to like it's got some old English on this thing. I bet like we'll have to work through this. But oh man, I've
Yeah.
been excited about this episode. We've had this thing in the artillery for a while.
Yeah. So yeah, it's warm up. There's some script after that. I can't read it. It's too faded. But it
Gosh,
says 300 swim. I could read that.
I agree with that. So
Yeah.
300 swim.
300 swim. And then we got 6 by 125. And then it says skull 25. And then
75 drill and 25 swim.
okay,
Uh,
you're going 75 drill on that. That makes sense. Yeah, there's a little line through the 7.
It
That's
looks so much like a two, but it's different from the other
yeah, it
twos.
looks a
Gotta
lot
use
like
that
but that makes a lot because it's 125. Yeah, 75 drill and then
expert
25
analogy.
swim. Interesting. Isn't sculling just a drill? Really?
Schooling is sometimes in its own category just because there's a specific school for each stroke
Mm,
theoretically that people like I feel like that kind of breaks down, but freestyle school is literally just supposed to be the same movement every time, but a drill could mean like 100 different drills, I think. So schooling tends to be like a progression into drill sometimes.
okay, nice.
It's supposed to
Um,
mimic just the very first part of the catch.
what's the
Get
first
all the
drill?
shoulders warmed up.
What's the first drill you think was ever swam?
The first drill of all
Like,
drills.
like obviously people started swimming in the
My
old
gosh.
days just to save their lives from drowning. But
Yeah, yeah.
then at some point they're like, you know what? I want to swim faster. Maybe I'll do a drill. What was that
Ooh.
first drill,
Probably
Kyle?
like arm above your head drill where you have to like put your arm over your like you have to like do that.
Oh
Like,
yeah,
people were
yeah,
probably swimming like this and they probably were like, yeah, you got to go like that. I don't know.
yeah.
It was probably
Wow.
the arm drill. I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. That's a good one.
Some something they were doing off like the British Isles or the somewhere in like yeah.
They're like,
I
oh,
don't even
if
know.
we bring our arm above, like in the air, there's less resistance than if we brought it forward under the water.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I bet it's got to be something like that. I don't know.
yeah.
I don't know what they were doing.
That's good. So a similar version to that we do in the modern times is kind of like an L. So you swim with one arm out in front, and then the other arm makes like an L. If you're watching on YouTube, you can kind of see me doing it. And then you just have a really nice smooth hand entry and then switch really fast and then bring the arm up like an L. That's a good one. I saw the Ventura College swim team doing that the other day. So that's the drill we'll plug in for you guys if you want that.
That's the translated, updated, modern drill that we
Updated,
have put
yeah.
into this like biblical era
It also
swim set.
helps if you wear fins, if you want to. If you want to wear fins for that, you can kind of kick a little
Whoa,
more.
whoa, whoa! Those didn't exist back then. We
That's
need
true.
to.
Actually, no
We, need
fins. Yeah, fins did not exist back in the day. You're right. Um,
we can't be cheating ourselves here. This is an ancient set.
that's true. And then we got a 50 easy. It looks like 50
50
easy.
easy on 11 minutes or something, or maybe that's like the year that the 50 easy was
No,
written
it's
in.
1100.
Oh,
1100.
okay,
That's
yeah,
the total
yeah.
total volume up until this point, maybe.
The total volume and the year of the of
And the
the,
year, yeah,
the
of
next
the
update. It's like
set.
the New Testament, of swimming.
Yeah.
This is the main set.
This
Like
is
like
the
before there was only warm up, but now we have
yeah, yeah. Okay,
we have
go.
purpose.
What's his main set?
Oh man. Okay. 275s. Kick.
Looks
Uh,
like kick twice, right?
kick. Kick. Swim. Yeah. Yeah. And then three times 425s. Oh gosh. I'm starting to
Dude,
get
I have
lost.
no idea. That's some other language, maybe.
Somebody comment
Is
if
that
you have a good
Latin?
guess here.
That's
I don't know.
Latin, isn't it?
It has to be Latin.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll keep looking at it as we're talking, but
And then
and
we got
three
three
100
100s.
with no
Just
description.
no description.
There's like symbols next to it too. There's like symbols on the left. They like mean something. They're like probably like
Yeah.
ancient cues of like the speed you were supposed to go, but we don't even know them.
Yeah,
They've been lost to time.
we can interpret
I'm
that.
sorry, guys.
Um so 3 times through this main set. Let's just make something up. Like what would be good for the people?
I'm still looking at this thing. I really want to know. It's not on the tip of my tongue or anything, but I feel like it's just gonna make sense at some point. I don't know. I have to go back to the drawing board, but 425s. Yeah, I don't know why there's just kick kick swim. Why isn't it just 50 kick 25 swim? They wrote it. I mean, it's ancient, so you can't blame them. But
Maybe it's two different types of kick.
and it's like the whole set is supposed to be three times through all this. Because why does the three times start at the 425s? They're supposed to be centered, so like you can
Maybe that's what the markings are on the side. Maybe it's like a bracket. This is
the
before they had
scripture. Yeah.
brackets. Yeah. Because brackets are from computer times.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Yeah, we
that's like
have
way
brackets
before
on the
that.
computer,
Yeah.
but that really,
We got to cut them some slack here. Yeah.
yeah, that's true.
Sorry to our Spotify like people listening in their cars or anything. Like this is like you might have to go
Yeah,
back on YouTube and look at what we're looking at
we're
because
we're
I
trying to describe it to you.
it's like a geologist looking at the Rosetta Stone for the first time, guys. I'm telling you, this is not it's not easy.
Let's just. I think 425's variables.
Okay, sure. Yeah, that
Yeah.
sounds good.
So if you
Yeah.
don't know what variables are, it's build to fast, and then fast to easy, and then all easy, all fast. Right?
Yeah, yeah, that sounds about good. Variable, yeah, there's like two different variable people. It's like potato potato. Some people like to end with easy and some people like to end with fast. It's always a battle. And it's funny, it happens in the same groups too. Like it won't even be one group has their preference. Like people will go at each other's throats in the same workout, like same coach, and people will argue with each other every single practice. Like, and I'm just like, man, how can we not all agree on variable
Why
speed?
can't we just variable the variables, you guys?
Yeah, it's like yeah, people stand their ground.
And then three 100s. That's fine. If you want to do three 100s descend, I feel like that's cool.
Yeah, I mean we should change that to descend. I think like descend maybe to strong or something. I like
Yeah,
it
yeah. One
crazy.
through three to strong.
There wasn't different back then. There wasn't different speeds, so this is just
No,
like
there's just swim away from the shark speed.
yeah, the 3 100. Like you were lucky if you survived by this time in the set. Like you might have gotten eaten
Yeah,
or
that's true.
or you died or
I do
something.
like the 50 easy after pretty much everything so far.
They did, yeah, they did put an easy in there. So theoretically, these people have some mastery of speed to some extent. Yeah.
Yeah. And then oh goodness. Oh, then there's more description.
One choice. Why is everything written twice? Like, is it like in Indonesian where like two mice is like mouse or something? Like, is this from
I
like
didn't even
Asia?
know that maybe. One
I-
choice, two, and then it looks like something got crossed out. Oh goodness.
They like yeah they got rid of some. There was something taboo in there that
Yeah. Let's just
1200.
skip that. Forget that. We
Yeah,
can't
sorry guys,
interpret it.
I'm lost to translation.
Yeah. You guys can go on YouTube and decipher it in the comments for us. And then for the kick, it's
In
just
the year
10.
1200, by the
Yeah,
way,
yeah.
the year 1200 this came out, I think.
Yeah, that was the updated. And then kick 10 times 50. It looks like evens back dolphin. That was their inspiration, was the animals of the sea. They were like, "Oh, the dolphin swims fast. We should kick like that."
Yeah, and they started with the evens too. Like they started with their number twos and number fours. They didn't start with the odds so
Yeah.
back then. So you
It
guys
was
got
the
it.
other way around, And
Yeah,
then
two came before one back then.
yeah, exactly. That's actually pretty funny. Um and then what's that next one? What are the odds,
Oh
Kyle?
gosh, I think it looks like some weird version of choice because well, there's a choice up there and it looks like almost similar to that, you know? Like it's clearly says choice up at like a little farther up on the set and then that looks like choice, right?
Yeah.
What I'm
Why
talking
is the
about here.
evens first?
Backdoll. Yeah. It's like numbers were just different. No.
Yeah, that's funny. Anyways, that's cool. And then 100 cooldown, it looks like.
Yeah, CD, you know. I think that's and then there's some like there's something in there. There's some stainings like which I don't know if they're relevant or not besides the cooldown. Like there's an M in there or something. I don't know what that's
Nah,
supposed to
maybe
do.
that's just their grocery list.
Yeah, it could be the other side. Like there's might be like a secret like
Yeah.
set on the back that we like we'll never know.
Yeah, it is on a kickboard though, so
Yeah, I mean it's been perfectly preserved on a kickboard. For swimming,
yeah.
like that's like the sapphire that
Dude, it almost looks like
the bug is supposed to use.
fabric. It doesn't
It's
even.
definitely a toilet paper. Someone grabbed the brown thing in the bathroom, was like, swiped it off, then took a pen, wrote it on, dunked the kickboard, and then went and swam their set. That came
Anyways,
straight from the freaking bathroom.
anyways, that's the set, you guys. We tried to give you some tips in there. I hope you enjoyed that. Kyle, take us away with the hot take.
Oh my gosh, I'll like hot take, guys. Don't do the set.
Oh no.
Don't do it. This is one of those where we bring it up as an example, man. Like, don't do this thing. It's terrible. Every part of it is awful. I like listen, there's a reason this is the most oldest swim set. We have to improve off this, guys. This is not worth it.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for listening to this episode, you guys. Make sure you subscribe. We have a lot of other sets that are really good and not from before Christ walked the earth. So, yeah, subscribe for those, and we'll see you on the next one.
Peace, guys.